What is trading? How people make money in the market? Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, check your phone, and boom. You just made $500 while sleeping. Sounds like a dream, right? Welcome to the world of trading. But wait. Before jumping in thinking it's an easy money machine, here's a secret. 90% of traders lose money because they don't understand the game. But you are here to learn it the right way. What is trading? And how it's not gambling. Trading is simply buying and selling assets, like stocks, forex, crypto, or commodities, to make a profit. Sounds simple, right? Buy low, sell high. But here's the catch, trading is not gambling. Smart traders don't just guess. They use strategies, analysis, and risk management to win. If you trade without a plan, you're just a gambler. Think of it like this. If you bet on a coin toss, it's 50-50, pure luck. But if you study the market, trends, and charts, your chances of winning go from 50% to 70% or even 80%. That's the power of knowledge. Types of trading, which one is for you? Alright, let's talk about the 4 main types of trading. Which one fits your style? Scalping, the speed demon. Holding trades for seconds to minutes. Super high energy, quick profits, but requires skill. If you love fast action, this is for you. Imagine buying a stock at $100 and selling it at $100.10 in just 30 seconds. Small profit, but do it 100 times a day? That adds up. Intraday trading, the hustler buying and selling within the same day, no overnight risk. Great for those who can sit in front of screens for hours. You buy Apple stock at 9:30 a.m. and sell it at 2 p.m. before the market closes. Quick profits, but high focus needed. Swing trading, the smart player holding trades for days or weeks. Less stress, perfect for part-time traders. You buy Bitcoin at $40,000 and sell it at $45,000 after a week. More patience, but higher profits. Position trading, the investor holding trades for months or even years. Big picture strategy, perfect for busy people. Buying Tesla stock and holding it for 3 years, waiting for it to grow. How traders make money, and how they lose it. Now, let's talk about the real reason you're here. How do traders actually make money? And more importantly, how do they lose it? Buying low, selling high, the classic method. Buy when the price is cheap, sell when it goes up. Short selling, making money when prices drop. You can even make money when stocks go down. Sell high, buy low. Using leverage, high risk, high reward, borrowing money to trade bigger amounts. But be careful, leverage can make you rich or wipe you out. How do traders lose money? No risk management, no stop loss. One bad trade can blow your account. Trading with emotions, greed and fear are your worst enemies. No strategy, random guessing is a fast way to lose money. How you can start trading, step by step. Excited to start trading? Here's the exact roadmap. Open a trading account, choose a good trading platform. Learn the basics, study technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and price action. Choose your trading style, scalper, day trader, swing trader. Decide your path. Practice with a demo account, don't risk real money yet. Start small, manage risk, never risk more than you can afford to lose. Pro tip, the stock market will always be there. Your money, not so much. Protect it. 5 biggest mistakes beginners make, avoid these, before you go all in. Here are the biggest beginner mistakes to avoid. Overtrading, trading too much leads to losses. Be patient. No stop loss, without it, one bad trade can destroy your account. Trading based on news hype, by the time you hear it, it's already too late. Ignoring risk management, a 10% loss is fine, a 90% loss is game over. Letting emotions take over, the market doesn't care about your feelings. Final words, is trading right for you? Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill. If you treat it like a casino, you will lose. But if you study, practice, and have discipline, you can make serious money. So, are you ready to start trading? What trading style excites you the most? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading wisdom. And remember, the market rewards those who are prepared. Stay smart, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.